In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in your HubSpot content. Let's start right from your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're signed in and looking at your main workspace, we're going to navigate to the area where HubSpot stores all the assets you'll use across pages, emails, blog posts, and more. This is quick and straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly where your files live and how to add new ones safely. From the top navigation, open the More menu. Depending on your screen size, this may be tucked under an overflow menu, so if you don't see it immediately, widen your window or look for an option that expands additional tools. Inside that menu, choose Content. This takes you to the section where HubSpot groups everything related to what you publish and share. Next, select Files. This opens the HubSpot File Manager, your central library for images, documents, videos, audio files, and other media you plan to use inside HubSpot. Think of this as a single, secure place where your team can find approved assets. If you're working with a lot of items, it helps to keep clear file names and a sensible folder structure, so you can locate things quickly later. Now let's add something new. In the top right corner of the File Manager, click the Upload Files button. A system window will appear so you can browse your computer. Choose the file or files you want to bring into HubSpot. Common examples include PNGs and JPGs for images, PDFs for downloadable resources, and MP4s for short videos. Larger files may take longer to upload, so give them a moment if you're working with high-resolution media. After you select your items, you'll see a progress indicator. This confirms HubSpot is receiving your files. Avoid closing the tab or navigating away while the upload is running. When the progress bar completes, the files will appear in your library and are now securely stored within HubSpot. You can click a file to preview it, confirm the name looks good, and note where it's located so you can find it easily when you're building content. That's it. To recap, from your dashboard, go to More, choose Content, open Files, and use the Upload Files button to add the assets you need. Keeping your names consistent and your library organized will save you time later and help your whole team work more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to upload files and start using them across your HubSpot content.